Welcome to our channel, friends. Today we'll be talking about the proper consumption of garlic. Garlic, one of the oldest and most versatile foods in the world, carries within its layers a unique combination of history, science, and unparalleled health benefits. Since the dawn of humanity, it has been cultivated and revered by entire civilizations. But what is behind this small bulb that makes it so special? Imagine an ingredient capable of transforming health, fighting diseases, and even enriching the flavor of the simplest foods. Now, imagine that the improper use of this same ingredient can cause discomfort, side effects, and even harm the body's balance. This is the fascinating duality of garlic, a superfood that needs to be understood in order to be used to its fullest. But what makes garlic so powerful? The answer lies in its unique chemical composition. When crushed or chopped, garlic releases a compound called allicin, one of the most potent bioactive agents known. Allicin is responsible for most of the benefits attributed to garlic, including its ability to reduce inflammation, strengthen the immune system, fight microorganisms, and improve cardiovascular health. However, allicin is extremely unstable. Cooking garlic for too long or at too high a temperature can destroy this precious substance. On the other hand, consuming it raw or in an inappropriate way can cause stomach irritation and digestive problems. This brings us to the central question: how can we make the most of the benefits of garlic without facing its possible risks? A point at which we must reflect on the duality of garlic. It can be a powerful ally, but it also has contraindications that cannot be ignored. For example, garlic can interact with anticoagulant medications, causing serious clotting problems. For people with sensitive gastric conditions, raw garlic can be a trigger for discomforts such as heartburn and nausea. This duality is fascinating because it reflects the balance we should seek in our dietary choices. Understanding garlic is not only a question of health, but also of respect for what nature offers us. Although garlic is widely recognized as a powerful medicinal food, improper use can cause a number of health problems. It is crucial to understand that even though it is a natural remedy, it is not free from side effects. Here are the main problems that can arise, explained in detail: gastric irritation and digestive discomfort. Excessive or inadequate consumption of raw garlic can irritate the stomach lining, causing heartburn, nausea, and abdominal pain. This is due to the presence of highly concentrated sulfur compounds, such as allicin, which can be aggressive for people with sensitive stomachs. Prolonged impact. Continuous consumption of raw garlic in excess can even aggravate pre-existing conditions, such as gastritis or ulcers. Who is at risk? People who already have a history of gastric reflux or inflammatory bowel diseases should avoid excessive consumption. Excessive anticoagulant effect. Garlic has blood-thinning properties, which can be beneficial in preventing clots. However, when consumed in excess or combined with anticoagulant medications, it can cause excessive bleeding. Real-life scenario. Patients about to undergo surgery should avoid garlic for at least 2 weeks before the procedure. Warning signs. Frequent nosebleeds, unexplained bruising, or prolonged bleeding may indicate a problem. Allergic reactions. Although rare, some people may be allergic to garlic. Symptoms include rashes, itching, difficulty breathing, and in severe cases, anaphylaxis. The hidden danger. Allergic reactions can occur both from consuming and directly handling garlic. Extra caution. People with a history of food allergies should perform a test before incorporating large amounts of garlic into their diet. Excessive reduction of blood pressure. Garlic is known for its ability to lower blood pressure, but in excess, it can cause hypotension, very low blood pressure, which can lead to dizziness, fainting, and even shock in extreme cases. When it occurs, this is particularly concerning for people who are already taking medication for high blood pressure. Necessary precautions. Always consult a doctor before using garlic supplements if you have low blood pressure. Interference with medications. Garlic can interact with several medications, reducing their effectiveness or increasing the risk of side effects. Common interactions. anticoagulant, immunosuppressive, and contraceptive medications may be affected. Recommendation: always inform your doctor about your use of garlic, especially if you take medications regularly. Persistent body odor. Excessive consumption of garlic can lead to unpleasant body odor, resulting from the release of sulfur compounds through sweat and breath. How it occurs. Raw or cooked garlic releases volatile substances that the body slowly eliminates. Social impact. This problem can be embarrassing in social or professional settings. Liver toxicity. Garlic in large quantities can overload the liver, an organ essential for detoxifying the body. Example of risk. Concentrated garlic supplements have been associated with signs of liver toxicity in some studies. Necessary caution. Avoid consuming more than the recommended daily dose, especially in extract or supplement form. Laxative effect. Garlic can have a laxative effect in some people, especially when consumed raw and in large quantities. Related problems. Diarrhea and intestinal cramps are common side effects. Pay attention to balance. Introduce garlic gradually into your diet to avoid these problems. Oral discomfort. Raw garlic can cause burning in the mouth, mouth ulcers, and even damage to tooth enamel if consumed regularly without other foods. Reason: the high concentration of sulfur compounds irritates the oral mucosa. How to avoid: mix garlic with other ingredients or opt for cooked versions. Risks during pregnancy and breastfeeding. Although garlic is generally safe during pregnancy, excessive consumption can increase the risk of bleeding and gastric discomfort. Additionally, the strong flavor of garlic can alter the flavor of breast milk, making it less palatable to your baby. Extra caution. Consult a doctor before consuming garlic in medicinal amounts during pregnancy or breastfeeding. Tip: moderation is essential to avoid side effects. Garlic is one of the most powerful and well-known superfoods in history. When consumed properly, it offers an impressive range of health benefits, thanks to its medicinal properties. Here are the main benefits of using garlic correctly, expanded with detailed explanations. Strengthening the immune system. Garlic contains active compounds, such as allicin, which stimulate the body's natural defenses against bacterial, viral, and fungal infections. It increases the production of white blood cells, which fight infectious agents. A person who consumes garlic regularly is less prone to colds, flu, and infections in general. Lowering blood pressure. Garlic is one of the most effective natural remedies for controlling blood pressure. It helps to relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. Consuming 2 to 4 cloves of garlic per day can reduce blood pressure in people with high blood pressure. Cook garlic lightly to preserve its beneficial compounds without making it aggressive. Improving heart health. Garlic reduces LDL cholesterol levels, the bad, and increases HDL cholesterol, the good, preventing plaque buildup in the arteries. Lower risk of heart attacks and strokes. A balanced garlic supplement can bring considerable improvements over time. Powerful antioxidant properties. The antioxidants present in garlic fight free radicals in the body, preventing premature aging and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Garlic can protect brain cells, reducing the risk of diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Combine garlic with other foods rich in antioxidants to amplify the effects. Aids in diabetes control. Garlic helps regulate blood sugar levels, making it an ally for people with type 2 diabetes. It improves insulin sensitivity and reduces blood glucose levels. Consume chopped raw garlic in salads or soups. Anti-cancer properties. Several studies suggest that compounds in garlic, such as allicin, can inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Regular consumption can reduce the risk of colon, stomach, and prostate cancer. Crushed and consumed raw for greater effectiveness. Improved blood circulation. Garlic stimulates the production of nitric oxide, a substance that dilates blood vessels and improves blood flow. Reduces cramps and feelings of fatigue. People who exercise or have circulation problems. Antibacterial and antiviral properties. Garlic is a natural antibiotic that is effective against a wide variety of bacteria and viruses. It can be used to combat mild infections, such as sore throats and colds. Prepare a garlic tea with honey to relieve flu symptoms. Metabolism regulation. Garlic can speed up metabolism, helping to burn calories and lose weight. Allicin improves metabolic function. Include garlic in daily dishes for a continuous effect. Detoxification of the body. Garlic helps eliminate toxins and heavy metals from the body, such as lead and mercury. It stimulates the liver to work more efficiently. Consume raw garlic in the morning with warm water to maximize the detox effect. Reduce inflammation. Garlic has anti-inflammatory properties that help relieve joint pain and chronic inflammation, arthritis, gout, and other inflammatory conditions. Use garlic oil for topical massages. Improve respiratory health. Garlic helps relieve symptoms of asthma, bronchitis, and other respiratory conditions. Garlic tea with ginger and lemon can be highly effective. It acts as a natural expectorant. Prevent urinary tract infections. Garlic can help prevent and treat urinary tract infections due to its antimicrobial properties. Drinking garlic water regularly can be helpful. Stimulate hair growth. The nutrients in garlic strengthen hair follicles, promoting healthy hair growth. Rub crushed garlic directly onto the scalp. Relieve insect bites. Garlic can be used as a topical remedy to relieve itching and inflammation caused by bites. Mix crushed garlic with olive oil and apply to the affected area. Improve bone health. Studies indicate that garlic can increase bone density in menopausal women. Include garlic in your diet along with calcium-rich foods. Protection against autoimmune diseases. Garlic can help modulate the immune system, reducing overactivity in autoimmune diseases, lupus, and rheumatoid arthritis. Improved oral health. Although garlic can cause bad breath, it fights harmful bacteria in the mouth, preventing cavities and gingivitis. Increased energy. The nutrients in garlic help improve physical and mental disposition. Stimulate longevity. Regular consumption of garlic has been associated with a longer, healthier life. Although garlic is a superfood with numerous benefits, improper or excessive use can cause adverse effects. Here are the main contraindications of garlic, expanded with detailed explanations. Gastrointestinal problems. Excessive consumption of raw garlic can cause irritation in the gastrointestinal tract, leading to symptoms such as heartburn, nausea, and diarrhea. Sulfur compounds in garlic can be aggressive to the stomach lining. Who should avoid? People with gastritis, ulcers, or acid reflux should moderate consumption. Allergic reactions. Garlic can trigger allergic reactions in some people, resulting in skin rashes, itching, and difficulty breathing. Common symptoms: swelling of the lips, tongue, or throat. If you notice signs of allergy, stop using it immediately and seek medical attention. Drug interactions. Garlic can interfere with anticoagulant medications, such as warfarin, increasing the risk of bleeding. Additional risk: may reduce the effectiveness of certain HIV control medications and oral contraceptives. Consult a doctor before consuming garlic regularly if you are taking medications. Bad breath and body odor. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that are released through breath and sweat, causing an unpleasant odor. How to minimize. Drink green tea or mint leaves after garlic to neutralize the odor. Practical tip: avoid consuming large amounts of garlic before important meetings. Skin irritation. Raw garlic, when applied directly to the skin, can cause burns or irritation, especially in people with sensitive skin. How it occurs. Strong compounds in garlic can damage skin tissue. Precaution: dilute garlic in oils before topical use. Aggravation of liver problems. Garlic in large amounts can overload the liver, especially in people with pre-existing liver conditions. Observed effect: increased liver enzymes in excess. Suggestion: keep garlic intake within healthy limits. Excessive reduction of blood pressure. Although garlic is beneficial for hypertensive patients, It can cause extremely low blood pressure if consumed with antihypertensive medications. Risk: dizziness and fainting. Precautions: adjust dosage under medical supervision. Bleeding disorders. Garlic affects blood clotting, increasing the risk of bleeding, especially during surgery. Recommendation: stop consuming garlic at least 2 weeks before any surgical procedure. Problems during pregnancy and breastfeeding. Excessive consumption of garlic during pregnancy can cause digestive discomfort and change the taste of breast milk. Effect on lactating women. Some babies may react to the taste of garlic in breast milk. Suggestion: pregnant or lactating women should consume garlic in moderation. Risk of renal overload. High doses of garlic can negatively impact kidney function, especially in people with a history of kidney disease. Reason: bioactive compounds can be difficult for the kidneys to process in excess. Precautions: talk to your doctor before using garlic supplements. Incorporating garlic into your diet in a balanced and consistent way can be extremely beneficial. Below, I explain how to use garlic daily with practical and safe tips. Ideal amount of garlic per day. For general health benefits: 1 to 2 cloves of raw or cooked garlic per day. For specific goals, consult a doctor or nutritionist for adjustments. Avoid excesses that may cause discomfort or adverse effects. Best ways to consume: raw. Chop or crush the garlic and consume with warm water. Ideal for morning detox. Cooked. Add to soups, sauces, and stews for a mild flavor and preserve properties. Garlic tea. Boil a clove of garlic in water and add honey to relieve flu and colds. Recommended times: morning. Consume on an empty stomach to detoxify the body. Lunch. Use as a seasoning in salads or hot dishes. Night. Avoid consuming raw garlic too late to avoid digestive discomfort. Daily tips: crush the garlic and let it sit for 10 minutes before cooking. This activates the allicin. Include small amounts at breakfast, lunch, and dinner for continued benefits. Now that we have explored the universe of garlic in depth, from its impressive benefits to the precautions we should take, it is time to reflect together on how to integrate this powerful food into our lives. Imagine a typical day in your routine. You can start with a simple recipe with garlic in the morning, use it as a seasoning for lunch, and, in the evening, reconnect with natural care through a comforting tea. Think about a challenge you are currently facing in your health or well-being. Maybe it is fatigue, a stubborn cold, or even the desire to strengthen your immunity. Now, ask yourself, how can garlic help? If you are looking for more energy, try raw garlic on an empty stomach. To strengthen your immunity, use garlic in hot soups, especially on cold days. Want to improve your digestion? A mild garlic tea with honey could be the secret. Garlic is a simple ingredient, but it demands something powerful from us: consistency. It invites you to change small choices in your daily life, which, when added together, have a significant impact. Try making it a priority when you go grocery shopping next week, testing out new recipes or preparation methods. What will be your first recipe? Engage with your own health. How about keeping a garlic diary? Write down your favorite recipes, the effects you feel on your body, and share it with friends or family to motivate others to adopt the habit. Inspire change. Adding garlic to your daily routine can be a small gesture of self-care. But imagine the collective impact if everyone around you incorporated this superfood. If you had to start now, what would be easier? Adding garlic to rice or beans. Making a garlic sauce for salads. Trying a garlic tea in the morning. Choose one of these options and take the initiative. Small steps generate big changes. Think about it. Garlic teaches us more than just improving our health. It reminds us that simplicity, when used correctly, has the power to transform lives. Are you ready to transform yours? Take a few minutes to plan your next week with garlic on your menu. What you gain is much more than a seasoning. It is health, energy, and vitality. Make garlic your faithful partner and feel the difference in every meal and an everyday lived with more quality and purpose. Until a new video, I hope to see you.